Hi, hello everyone. I am Chalma Reddy. Welcome to CR Maths class. Today I am going to explain new pattern of question paper Mathematics 1A. In this question paper, three sections are there. In first section, they will give 10 questions. So we need to write all questions. We need to write all questions. Here, there is no choice. 10 into 2, 20 marks. 10 into 2, 20 marks. There is no choice. This is a new pattern. In old pattern also, they will give 10 questions. We need to attempt 10 questions. There is no choice. See, this is the question paper pattern. Two questions in functions and two questions in matrices and two questions in vectors. One is addition of vector, another one is product of vectors. And eighth, ninth question. Eighth question is trigonometric ratios up to transformations. Ninth question, periodicity, extreme values and graphs. One question. 10th question is hyperbolic functions. But inverse hyperbolic functions, that chapter is deleted. Okay. Next, go for section B. Section B, we need to attempt 5, but they will give 10 questions. They will give 10 questions. Each question carries 4 marks, 5 into 4. Here they are given number of choices. 50% choice given. They are given 10 questions. We need to attempt only 5. But remaining 5 questions are choice. See here, 50% choices. In matrices, they are giving 2 4-mark questions. One is algebra of matrices, one is inverse of matrices. So this here, determinants, they are deleted. Determinants delete chesaru. Okay. Next, vectors. 13th and 14th, 15th. 3 4-mark questions they are giving in vectors. One is addition of vectors. So remaining 2 are product of vectors. And 16, 17, 18. See here, this is trigonometric ratios up to transformations. 3 questions given. 3 questions, 3 4-mark questions. And the properties of triangle, 2 questions. Overall, they will give 10 questions. We need to attempt 5 questions. 10 is 3rd, 5 రాయాలి అంటే 5 choice. 50% choice. Easy-గా attempt చేయొచ్చు 5 questions. Yes or no? We can attempt very easily. And go for section C. How many questions we want to attempt here? They will give 10 questions. We need to attempt only 5. Each question carries 7 marks. 5 into 7, 35. Here they will give 10 questions. Out of 10, we need to attempt only 5. Remaining 5 are choice. So here also 50% choice. ఇక్కడ కూడా 50% choice. So functions నుంచి ఒక లాంగ్ ఆన్సర్. Matrices నుంచి 3 లాంగ్ ఆన్సర్స్. క్రామర్స్ రూల్, ఇన్వర్షన్ మెథడ్, ఆల్జీబ్రా ఆఫ్ మ్యాట్రిసెస్. ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే మ్యాట్రిసెస్ నుంచి 3 లాంగ్ ఆన్సర్స్ ఇస్తున్నాడు. అలాగే వెక్టర్స్, వెక్టర్స్ నుంచి 3 లాంగ్ ఆన్సర్స్. 25, 26, 27, 3 లాంగ్ ఆన్సర్స్ ఇస్తున్నాడు. అలాగే ట్రాన్స్ఫర్మేషన్స్ నుంచి ఒక లాంగ్ ఆన్సర్. ప్రీవియస్ ఇయర్ కూడా ఇచ్చేవాడు. In last year also, transformation, they will give one long answer. But see the properties of triangle. Now they are giving two long answers. So previous year, they are given only one long answer. Okay. So finally, what I am saying means, in third section, they will give 10 long answers, LAQs. We need to attempt only 5. Remaining 5 are choice. See here, 50% choice. Okay. 2 marks, no choice. 4 marks, 50% choice. Long answers, 50% choice. So ఈ పేపర్లో ఈజీగా 60 మార్క్స్ తెచ్చుకోవచ్చు. కానీ 75 రావాలంటే 2 మార్క్ క్వశ్చన్స్ జాగ్రత్తగా చేయాలి. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు చాప్టర్ వైజ్ వెయిటేజ్ చూద్దాం. చూడండి, ట్రిగనామెట్రీ అప్ టు ట్రాన్స్ఫర్మేషన్స్ ఎన్ని ఇస్తున్నాడు? ఒక 7 మార్క్ క్వశ్చన్, 1 7 మార్క్ క్వశ్చన్, 2 4 మార్క్ క్వశ్చన్స్, 2 2 మార్క్ క్వశ్చన్, టోటల్ 19 marks. Functions, 1 7 mark question, 2 2 mark questions. Properties of triangles, 2 long answers, 2 4 marks. Totally 22 marks weightage. 22 marks. Next, matrices. This is the biggest weightage chapter. See, 33 marks weightage. Any snod in the nunchi, how many questions they are giving? 3 7 mark questions, 2 4 mark questions, 2 2 mark questions. Total 33 marks. This is the biggest weightage chapter. And vectors, product of vectors, particularly 2 long answers, 2 4 marks, and 1 2 mark question. Totally 24 marks. If you are prepared matrices and product of vectors, so you will get easily more than 50 plus, more than 50 marks. More than 50 marks. Next, addition of vectors. 7 plus 4 plus 2 plus 2. 1 7 mark, 1 4 mark, 2 2 mark questions. Totally 15 marks. This is also biggest weightage. But see, properties of triangle, matrices, product of vectors. These 3 chapters are huge weightage given. And last, hyperbolic function. This is very small chapter. They are giving 1 4 mark question, 1 2 mark question. Totally 6 marks. Okay. Now see, finally, maths 1A, paper 75 marks. Long answer, 7 mark questions. 10 they will give. We need to attempt only 5. SAQs, 4 mark questions. 10 they will give. We need to attempt only 5. But VSAQ, there is no choice. 10 out of 10 we need to attempt. Okay, this is as per new model paper by intermediate board. Okay, all the best. Thank you.